What is up, guys? Welcome back to a better video. And today's video we're going to be doing a room tour on my house. Ranger 2008. Ranger 2008. Ranger 2000. Yeah, Ranger 2000. Ranger 2000. Ranger 2000. Yeah, Ranger 2000. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we are in Roblox and we will be showing you guys my house. So, this person freaking right here is freaking crazy, but whatever. I'm a standard. So, we walk in here, these are like, I don't know, office doors. And then we walk in here. See like a big carpet. There's a place where you could sit down, watch some TV, blah, blah, blah. There's two chairs to sit here from here. And, there's my DJ set, so I could just... Can't really hear it right now, but it's really good. Whatever. So let's go here. So this side is where my kitchen is. I have a bunch of food here. Then we take the food over to here. This leads to my room. So right here is where sit down, watch some TV. Basically the main living room. And then my room, which has some sick lights. Go in here. There's a bunch of whatever. Signs of Roblox, blah blah blah, philosophy. You change it and all, pretty sick and stuff. Yeah, and then this is my computer, so I can play Watch You Block or something, blah blah. Blah blah. My changing session and my sleep, my bed. Then, actually, I'm going to add something, but I'm going to add that after the video. But all the way in the back, yep. Yeah, you see the best part of this house. But you guys comment down below if you guys ever made a house in Bloxburg. So this is my pool, 360, I have slides and everything. Pretty good pool. I still have $5,000, sit down. I have a hammock right here. And yeah, guys, that's my house. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like and the hammock. Bye, guys.